Hi guys, welcome back. Alright, so today I'm going to show you April's Ricky's Cult Crushes. And yeah, I just flashed you guys my address, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to be moving anyway. So, here you go. I have my daughter over here helping me out. So, of course, it shows you the variation of everything you got. And first things first, I'm going to show you guys some nails that I got. And as you can see, I haven't even had the time to fix my nails. So I'm going to try these and hopefully they work out. Next, from Burt's Bees, this is a 3-in-1 makeup remover, towelettes. I was just eyeing these the other day, this past weekend when I was at Target, so getting these is pretty cool. I look forward to trying these out. Next, I got a sample of a night facial oil for hydrated radiance, and it's skincare for sleep. And last, I got the Bright Lights palette from Pinky Rose Cosmetics. Now the funny thing is, I have been eyeing this palette for months. Months and months and months. So when I saw it came today, I was like so excited. Let me take this off. This is such a beautiful palette. I love all of it. Aren't those colors amazing? There's so much you can do with these. I've seen a lot of looks with this palette, and I'm just like so excited that I got this one. I know some people ended up getting a different palette, I believe, from Cult Crushes this month. And then others of us got the Bright Lights palette because I guess they ran out of the Bright Lights palette. But either way, both palettes were really good, but this is the variation that I got. And I'm so excited because this is the first time I get to use Pinky Rose Cosmetics. And like I said, I've been eyeing this palette for months. So very excited. But like I said, please excuse all the swatches I have in my hands from previous videos. The fact that I have undone makeup, I look like trash. My fingernails aren't done. We are currently in the process of moving pretty soon. And I just have not had the time because we're trying to find a different house or an apartment in a different state right now. So anyways, that's that. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and leave this here. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Hit the pound ring if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Love you.